Adding a job to a customer in QuickBooks Online is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. Access your QuickBooks Online account using your credentials. Once logged in, go to the Sales or Invoicing tab from the left navigation menu. Choose the Customers option from the drop-down menu. This will open the Customer Center. Find the customer to whom you want to add a job from the list of customers. Click on customer's name to open their profile. Look for an option to add a new job or project associated with this customer. This option may be labeled as Add Job, Add Project, or something similar. Fill in the required information for the new job, including the job name, description, start date, end date, and any other relevant details. Once you've entered all the necessary information, save the changes. You may need to click on a Save or Done button to confirm and save the job. After adding the job, you can review and manage it from the customer's profile. You may have options to edit, delete, or mark the job as completed as needed.